This is a quick video to show you how to remove the background of an image. So as you can see, I am trying to do something with money here for my students online, and I have searched for a transparent background of a nickel, but when I choose any of these images that I found, as you can see, the white background is still there. So in order to do this, I need to go to Google Images itself. It's just easier to do it this way. And I need to right click and save the image to my downloads. Just going to type in nickel so I know what it is. And then I'm going to this website, remove.bg, as in background. And because it is right here on my screen, I'm just going to drag and drop. You can also click upload image and find it in your downloads or wherever you saved it. And I'm just going to drag and drop this to this website, and it is going to recognize the background and remove it. You can see it has this checkered box around it. So I am going to click download. It puts a new file on my computer, and now I can go back to the slides that I was working on, and I can just drag that to my slides. And now, as you see, there's no background in the picture. Now, especially because I went through the trouble on that, like I keep telling you, I want to save these images. So I'm going to take 1 quarter, 1 nickel, and 1 dime, make that a tiny bit smaller. I'm going to hold down Control as I select all 3 of them, and then I'm going to right click anywhere, scroll up to copy, and I'm going to go to, like I've been telling you, my personal collection of objects, and I am going to insert them. I don't have a page for anything that matches this, so I'm going to insert a new page with the title only. Going to call it money, and I'm going to right click and paste those 3 things in. Next time I want coins for any project that I'm doing, I will not have to search for them again. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.